the hands, two silent tools, capable of creating, deceiving, and astonishing. They can build, they can vanish objects into the air, and, of course, they can settle the greatest disputes with a game of rock, paper, scissors. Set before you, white squares, empty. But what if they weren't? What if the universe had memory? What if things could appear and disappear simply because the atoms decided to gather here? A coin can be born in an instant, appear from nothing, shine for a second, and vanish without a trace. Is it a trick? Is it an illusion? Or perhaps, just perhaps, today we will witness a whim of the universe. Coins small, metallic, seemingly insignificant. They have traveled from hand to hand, crossed borders, been part of wishes cast into fountains and promises made in secret. But in the right hands, they become something more. A fleeting mystery, a question without an answer. We make them vanish so you understand that nothing is final. We make them appear so you remember that anything is possible. But if we look closely, we will see that their shine is not always pure. They are symbols of wealth, power, and desire, but also of dispute. They have always been a cause of conflict, an object of greed, a witness to struggles. And sometimes they have been stained red, red like the blood spilled to possess them, red like the invisible mark they leave on those who place them above everything else. They have bought dreams and sold lives. They have been the price of betrayal, the cause of war. They have changed hands by choice, but also by force. They have changed over time. Once silver, once gold. But one day they became lighter, more fragile. No longer did they just shine under the light. They bent between fingers. Coins turned into banknotes and value shifted from metal to paper. Banknotes drift with the wind. Like coins, they come in many colors, many shapes. But their secret is the same. No soul, no memory, no will. Yet when the hand lets them go, only one truth remains. Coins are just metal. Banknotes, just paper. And that is why magicians play with them. Because in our hands, these round objects hold no power, because we can make them disappear as if they had never existed, because we can transform them as if history could be rewritten, because even though the world has turned them into symbols of conflict, we can turn them back into pure illusion.